Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Amazulu 1. I'm joined by Buchabu.
Stibo,
Fede.
how's it, big bro?
Angimnandi.
Asibonge Stibo.
Sure.
Abantu ababhekelela channel,
Yeah.
abakommentayo.
Yes.
I always tell you ukuthi abelungu bethu.
Va.
Without them there's no show.
True.
So siyababonga.
Sure.
Idata yabo, iWi-Fi yabo.
Inja.
So Stibo, i-management ye-Chiefs ifeyila ama-supporters.
Yeah.
Ama-supporters, whether kumnandi kubi, supporters are always here.
They show up.
They need to press a reset button.
Yes.
This can be the Kaizer Chiefs that we know.
Va.
First and foremost,
Yes.
they should get the proper scouts
Yeah.
for players.
Yeah.
I think that's a point of departure.
Yes.
Two,
Yeah.
they need to get a proper technical team
Sure.
that is going to coach this team.
Yes.
Three, players themselves.
Yeah.
They need to play for the team,
Yeah.
not for themselves.
True that.
Because if you can check, majority of players, they want to shine.
Yes.
Abaphasani noma umuntu kaku better position.
Yes.
Ukuthi anikeze omunye akwazi ukukora.
Yeah.
I-Chiefs le dlala manje
Sure.
akusi-Chiefs thina siyaziyo ebesiyibukela masikhula.
Sure.
I-Chiefs used to have star players.
Hey.
Mina I've watched uSkaratintwa. I had the opportunity to watch Skaratintwa.
Yeah.
I've seen Neil Tovi.
Yeah.
I've seen Thabang Lebesi.
Yeah.
I've seen Tsiki.
Yeah.
I've seen best players in Kaizer Chiefs setup.
Yes.
So for this team to go back to its former glory,
Yeah.
the management of this team needs to take the team serious.
True.
But also get proper players.
Yes.
Get quality players.
Yes.
So that this team can compete.
Inja.
A proper Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
It's a healthy PSL.
True.
It's a healthy Bafana.
Yes.
So I'm saying from now, management the Chiefs needs to wake up.
Yeah.
Kulobthongwe obabaphethe.
I hear.
Bathathe lama supporters serious.
Yes.
Awukaze wabona le stadium say empty.
Hey.
This stadium is forever full.
Yes.
People are taking their last pennies.
Yes.
Ukuthi beze la bazobukela iKaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
Give them a quality team.
Yeah.
So that they can compete like other players.
Sure.
Thanks, Steve.
Siyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Bye.